The caveat is, this is backwards from this.
Why?
What is that called?
This is a pinch meter.
Pinch meter?
Really? That's its
Pajama.
name.
They couldn't come up with anything more creative than that.
I know, dynamometer, pinch meter. It's like, can this be a gripometer or something?
Yeah.
Can this be a grip meter or a pinch meter?
Gripometer.
So it works the same way. We're gonna do different things with the pinching, of course. It works the same way, but you've gotta stop and read the dial. Let me say that again. You've gotta stop and read the dial because
No cheater room.
pounds and well, it's got the cheater room
Oh,
too.
it does.
It's just pounds and kilograms are backwards from this one.
Okay.
It's that way in every case. There's like only one company that makes these and one company that makes these, and why, you know.
They never got
probably
their heads together on that
It's
one.
probably Republican and Democrat,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Like the Twix commercials.
Like the Twix
Yeah.
commercials.
Don't work right.
Okay, so yes, we've got the cheater arm on this too, so you want to make sure that you
Set to 0.
set it to 0. One of the things I find, not so much with this one, but with this one, sometimes people will set it backwards, so the cheater arm is behind the 0 instead of in front, and then you don't get a reading
50 pounds every time.
So in front of the.
in front of the 0. Okay, so we're going to have three different pinches that we measure. So the first one is going to be lateral pinch. So it's finger on the bottom, thumb on the top, and pinch. Okay.
I'm wrestling.
Yeah, 23.
Now you're generally doing both of the hands with that because you want to use the unaffected side
Yeah.
as your
Is your control
control
group.
group. Okay.
So typically, if I'm doing my initial evaluation, I'll do both sides. Then when I'm doing a reassessment, I pretty much just do, like I know what the good side is. It's probably not changing. So I'm just going to test the bad side just for efficiency.
You're going to be with this person for quite a while then.
Yeah. Well, that's why you got to practice this stuff, because you've got to
You gotta be
get it where
quick.
you can get it. You know, pretty much when I'm in the clinic, I've got 45 minutes to do an evaluation. And this isn't the only thing I'm looking at. I've got to look at other stuff too.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Well, I might do that sensory testing that we learned. I might do some cognitive testing depending on the patient. I might do coordination testing depending on the
You can
patient.
kind of do the cognitive while you're doing the other stuff a little bit, can't you? Or?
You do the cognitive stuff while you're doing the other stuff, and then if you feel like you need to, you might want to pull out a specific test to get some specific results that are measurable that you can follow up on. And we're not going there in this class. Okay. So the other two pinches, one is tip pinch, so it's thumb and one finger. So I usually try to get them to curl these other ones under, because otherwise what happens is that middle finger sneaks in.
Oh, yeah. I do that.
Said tip.
Fingertip, yeah. Yeah. So thumb on the bottom, finger on the top, just one finger and pinch. Okay. 21. And then we do what we call a 3-jaw chuck, so it's thumb on the bottom and 2 fingers now.
3-jog what?
Chuck.
Chuck?
3-jaw?
3-jaw chuck.
3-jaw.
Jaw?
Jaw.
I did the
Jaw
3-jaw
chuck.
chuck today.
What's the rest of the plan?
Little hoedown.
Do you do 3 for each 3?
And so yes, you do 3 for each
Oh,
3.
okay.
So each one of these, you do 3 trials and do the best of 3 or an average of 3.
Okay.
What was the
So,
first movement again?
Lateral, right?
That was the
Is
lateral.
that called lateral?
Sorry.
Lateral.
That was weird.
Lateral is this, yeah.
Tip
So
and
3-jaw
3-jaw.
chuck. Huh? Yeah. So 3-jaw chuck is after, like, have you ever like seen a drill? It's got like 3 pieces, and you stick the drill bit in and then you screw it
Yeah.
down.
Oh,
and-
It's kind of cute.
And so you're using 3 pieces. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll never be able to say that though without that image.
We remember it.
Yeah, really.